Hey everyone, my name is Janet, aka PerkiPerkins, and today on my channel I'm going to be doing a bathing suit Adore Me unboxing along with the try-on. So if you're interested in seeing what items I picked up in my most recent Adore Me haul, make sure you guys keep on watching. But before I go any further, don't forget to make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel, hit a thumbs up to the video, and leave me a comment below if you guys have tried Adore Me or are you guys are looking to try anything from the line. But anyways, let's get to it and let's start this video. Let's go. So I want to start off by saying I do apologize, you guys, as this video is kind of late, like a month late at this point for going live. I received the package back in mid-May, but if anyone has watched my previous video talking about where I've been and what's happened, you guys have known I've had some medical situations going on, and yeah, so I had a lot of things going on where I wasn't able to make virtually any content. So I do want to apologize to the Adore Me team because I so love to work with you guys. This video is sponsored as they did send out the products to me as a gift to try out. I want to open up the box and share with you guys what new bathing suits I picked up for this summer season. I would also like to mention that Adore Me has given me an amazing discount for my subscribers. If you're a first-time shopper with Adore Me, you can get your first bathing suit, bra set, lounge set for $24. That's an amazing discount. They have hundreds of choices to choose from, colors, styles, and they go from extra small to I believe 4X on their site. They have great quality. I mean, this little top here is part of a two-piece set, which I love. I'm constantly wearing Adore Me in my household along with my family, so you know, we're Adore Me fans. But the discount link is down in the description and it's not affiliated, so I don't make any commission. I just would like to note, and if by any chance you guys are wondering what makeup I'm wearing, because I'm actually very shocked, I will have those products linked down in the description. I'm actually pretty impressed with the foundation and concealer I'm using today because I have some really severe breakouts and it's doing a great job. But anyway, I would like to note that I've already removed the plastic packaging from bathing suits, as I will be popping in pictures here of me trying out the bathing suits. I tried on all the bathing suits and I took pictures of the ones that I actually fit, just so you guys are aware. The ones that I don't fit the bathing suit, I'm just going to pop on the picture for the model. This is Monroe. I got it in OX. This is such a beautiful style. It really kind of gives your figure shape, and it has great tummy control, and I like the little, you know, ruching in the middle. It covers the tushy very well. It has a nice layout in the back. I really like the pattern as well. I really appreciate how this has the little padding in here, so you can keep it on or you can take it off. So it's up to you. And the quality always for the Adore Me bathing suits is amazing. Like, they're really impeccable. I really enjoyed them. I got some last year, and I mean, look at this. Look at the cinching on the waistband alone. So this beauty right here is Margaret. It's very, very stunning. I love the lacy detailing, and it has like a little bit of mesh in the middle, you know, to help cover up areas. It has really nice material. It's very breathable, and I like how on the back it's very adjustable as well. I also appreciate that, like, for something like this, like if you wanted to go have like a lunch date at the beach or something like that, like you could just put your little wrap and it looks a little bit more dressed up. And the waistband is very flexible, and it's very flattering to the body. Morgan, I believe it's pronounced. Morgan is probably one of my favorites from this haul, you guys. This is a very cute style. Again, the material is amazing, and this is under the Adore Me Care line. So it's part of their sustainable material, and this really helps hold up the girls. And even though it definitely shows a little bit more skin, the way all the materials strategically placed is still kind of, it's very flattering to the body, where I don't feel actually all weird and insecure. So I really, really like it. I got the OX, so basically in the plus size section, and the tummy section is right above the belly button line. So I really like that. As I mentioned, and it has like this little band underneath, so it kind of like helps lift the tatas up. On the back there's a cute little bow, and it has a cute little ruching down the butt. Again, this one right here is probably one of my favorites from this year's collection, and the straps are really nice. They're nice and thick and very durable, you know. And by the way, you guys, most of these bathing suits are available in multiple either colors, or they're available in patterns, like same style, different patterns. So I would like to comment that. So there's definitely tons and tons for you to choose from. This one is called the Vivien Contour. I really love the way that this cup is done. It's this polka dot style, and it makes you look like, I really love the cup style. It's more like that vintage look, and then in the back you're able to adjust it very easily, and it's a very good supportive bra. Like, it really is. So it has great adjustability, and my only problem, so I ordered the bottoms. I don't know why I thought I ordered high rises, but I ordered the regular, and these, you know, I got a mommy pouch, so it really, like, it didn't cover none of my mommy pouch. Even though they fit like an underwear, these just didn't fit my mommy pouch, so like everything's hanging out, and it didn't make me feel comfortable. These will have to go to someone else, but the style is so cute. The material is great, and I believe this is available also in a red color. At least I've seen it before. Again, if it's not sold out, because during the summer their bathing suits do sell out. So this pair is called Gisele. This one is so cute. This is very fun, very summery. Personally, I would put like an overshirt or something like that on this, but the little bralette that comes in it, the bathing suit top, it is very nice, and the back straps are very adjustable. You can adjust the straps to make it more firm, and it just has a very cute detailing in the middle, like a little peekaboo that I really liked. See, this is where I got confused. I thought I ordered all of them high rise, because I know I wouldn't do good for a bikini, because this is a high rise. This is like the high-waisted panties, or more looks like the old school briefs. These fit very nicely. And it has a cute little cutout in the back. Again, very cute, very comfortable. If I was going to a tropical island, this is definitely what I would take. This gorgeous set is called Shelby. Let's start off with the bra. So I'm putting the picture of the model, because by the time I got to take pictures of Shelby, I was just sweating profusely. I was just like, I'm done. I took the pictures a few days ago, which it happened to be during a heat wave, that by the end of that video, I was literally like, I'm not gonna film, and my makeup has melted off. But you can easily see it has a very cute cup, and then it has a little wraparound. It gives you, again, that more vintage vibe, and it has the little bow ties in the front, kind of like the green set. And then it has the little waistband. Now this one's not the bottoms are super cute. Again, another high-waisted. I love this color, is so cute. I just felt if I'm going to be wearing a two-piece, I'm going to wear a high-waisted, because again, I have the mommy pouch, and I'm not comfortable walking around with my mommy pouch hanging out. So briefs, high briefs like these in the beach are great in my opinion, and they really cinch the waist, and they don't roll down or anything like that, for me at least. And they're very cute, very comfortable, very high quality. My final piece is called Lane. This is such an adorable two-piece. Last summer I picked up the one piece for myself and my daughter, actually, and I saw that they had the two pieces, because last year they had some very similar, but those sold out really fast. So as soon as I saw this, I had to pick it up. And again, the cups are very comfortable. It just looks very cute and dainty, and you can adjust the middle here to, you know, make it looser or more firmer if you like. And then on the back as well. So this is the high-waisted, and what's really neat is this little drawstrings, you're able to pull them out, so you can make it like less tense right here if you choose to. So if, let's say you want to take it down more on your thighs or whatever, you can do that. And this particular material feels like a ruching material, so it's very flattering to the body, and it doesn't show every like little nook and cranny, if you know what I mean. One thing I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video is when it comes to the Adore Me bathing suits, for the most part, you're able to choose like what size you would like for the tops and what size would you like for the bottom. And again, depending on the style, most of them do come with either the traditional bikini bottoms, or they have options for a high-waisted. I think I even saw some with like thong options. Again, I wouldn't look for those, so I just avoid those when I see the picture. But they do typically give you 2 to 3 options when it comes to bottoms. So again, you're able to customize your pieces as best as you want, and you really get the value for the price point. And now that we're heading into July, which is midsummer, I'm sure Adore Me is going to be launching even more new fun styles for you guys to choose from. So that was my final piece from my Adore Me bathing suit haul. Now let me know what you guys think. What was your guys' favorite piece? And I'd love to know if you're in the market for any new bathing suits. Don't forget, Adore Me does have a very generous discount where you can get your very first either bathing suit, lingerie, or lounge set for $24. And Adore Me does have a really good return policy. They have a VIP program, which is very flexible and easy for you guys to skip if you need to. But thank you again to Adore Me for sending me all these adorable bathing suits. I can't wait to try them out in public at least. I would love to hear you guys' thoughts, and take care, be safe, and I will catch you on the next one. Goodbye.